What's up, YouTube? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 22718. New to my channel, I'm called Aaron Channel. I'm Alex Neba. Smash the subscribe button, turn on push notification bell icon on to be notified whenever I upload videos like this. And if you're a subscriber, I want to say welcome to you all and thank you for stopping by. Okay, so guys, in this video, real quick, I'm here to show you guys on how to cash out from Venmo to Cash App. Okay, so if you're not aware of, or if you're new to Venmo and Cash App, they are both payment methods and fast and very easy in the States. But if you're out of the States, you have to access it using a VPN. All right, a VPN that connects you to the state. Okay, so I use a Windscribe VPN, and I'm just gonna connect right now to the States. Okay, so guys, so I'm gonna connect right now to the States. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry, my bad. My network is not that good, so all right. So guys, I'm connected to the VPN. So I'm using a paid VPN right now, but you can download the app and use a free version. The free version gives you about 10 gigabyte, all right? And if you exhaust it in a month, you have to wait for the next month for the bundle to reactivate. Okay, but if you pay for it, you have unlimited that data. All right, so guys, the second thing you want to do is to go to your Cash App. And okay, so guys, here's my cash card. I'm gonna blur everything on this card, like the number, the name, everything. I'm just gonna leave the Visa part open. Right, so I got $1 in my account. Yeah, so because I just withdraw some money in it. So okay, so guys, this is my cash card. So we're going to, first of all, we're going to link this card to our Venmo account before doing any other thing. All right, so I'm just gonna copy the number of my card and come to Venmo, guys. And okay, so Venmo is gonna ask for my touch ID. Yeah, so at the top right corner, I just click on those three lines, on the three lines, and just go to settings. And okay, so when you're on settings, guys, as you can see, payment methods. All right, so I'm gonna blur that Venmo part with my username there. I have the balance of $0.0 in it. Okay, so guys, so my bank is already linked there. Like, you can link either your bank or your card or both. All right, so I unlinked my card just this morning, and for some reasons. All right, so when you click on add bank or link card, as you can see, they'll give you the option of bank card, Amex Send account. So Amex Send account is American Express account. Okay, so if you have the account, you can just click there and link it up. So my bank is already linked. They say instant verification and manual verification. Instant verification means you sign in into your bank instantly, and this can work with Chime and Cash App and Green Dot, any mobile banking app in America that has a routine and account number. I remind you, a routine and an account number. Okay, so I'm done with the bank verification. Okay, so guys, so the bank verification is the instant verification is all about, like, you log in your bank credentials on your Venmo account. Okay, and the manual verification is all about, they'll send you some money in your account and they'll withdraw the money back, and they'll ask for the first installment and the first withdrawal. So let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so if I go to my Cash App right now and I go to, okay, to my activity, as you can see, the Venmo verified ban. All right, so the first money that is sent to my Venmo was about 38 cents, and the second was 24 cents. So I used those two amounts to verify it. Okay, and okay, so I'm not gonna do that because it's already done. It's very easy to do, guys, so just follow the steps and you do it. Okay, so let's say, to link your card, okay, we charge a 3% fee for sending money with credit cards. We don't charge for purchases or debit card payment. Okay, so they charge when you are sending money with your credit card. All right, so if you want to add your card, just click there. The card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code of the card. Okay, so when you do that, just click on add, and automatically you add your card to Venmo. Okay, so how do you withdraw from Venmo to Cash App? All right, so guys, when you're here, right, just click on manage balance. Okay, manage balance, and you see down here, pop up down here, say transfer to bank, add money, cash a check. Okay, so you can transfer money to your bank, you can add money, you can cash a check. Okay, so we're going to say transfer to bank. All right, so guys, as you can see, we have instant transfer. I want it to be business days, no fee, and the instant transfer costs about 1% fee of the actual amount you're about to send. Okay, so the maximum fee that Venmo can charge you is $10. All right, so as you can see, the fee there is 0.25 cents. So select a card or bank. So my bank is not supported to cash in money, but my card will be, but I don't have any money on my card. I have just $1 on my card. So guys, when you click on instant transfer and the money is there, guys, just click on transfer. Where you see transfer $0.00, it will show the actual amount that you're about to transfer to your bank. Okay, so let me show you guys. I did a transfer transaction. Let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so my personal, and yeah, this is it, guys. As you can see, I did a transfer of 217, like 220 US dollars, but the fee was 2.20 cents fee deducted during transfer. As you can see right down there, and I received a 217.80 cents in my cash app, and also I did a withdrawal of 750 US dollars, and the fee was about 7.50 fee deducted for during your transfer, and I received 742.50 cents US dollars. Let me show you my cash app right now. As you can see, where is it, Venmo. Okay, so this Venmo right here. So as you can see, guys, Venmo on Wednesday I cash out the 217.80 cents US dollars, and on Saturday I cash out 742.50 cents US dollars. So guys, as you can see, guys, it's possible to withdraw money from your Venmo account to your Cash App account, and this can only be possible if the money was sent to you via friends and family. Venmo is just like PayPal, and if the person put a condition on the money, you won't receive that money. You won't be able to cash out that money. So tell the sender to send the money via under friends and via no under no condition. All right, so you're gonna receive the money successfully in your Venmo account. And bet you, if you have any problem with your Venmo account, Venmo will ban your account. Okay, so be very careful. All right, so guys, that was all, guys. If this video help you guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you think, comment down below a video request if you have one. Share the video, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Peace out. Bye.